What's the meaning of Cardinal Newman? Cardinal Newman. Cardinal Newman.
Cardinal Newman. Cardinal Newman.
Cardinal Newman refers to John Henry Newman, a 19th-century English theologian and writer who converted from Anglicanism to Roman Catholicism and later became a cardinal. He was known for his works on theology, philosophy, and education, as well as for his efforts to bridge the gap between the Anglican and Catholic churches.
His most famous work is Apologia pro Vita Sua, a spiritual autobiography.
Newman's influence in both religious and intellectual circles continues to be felt today.